everyone, this is Hafsa Langari. I'm here to present the final project of MPL subject that I made it using Python. It is about a scientific calculator and converter, and I made this project by instructor of Said Najmuddin Sadat. And one thing that I love to mention here is I'm not working this project alone. Me and Parian work it together, but make separately slide for this. Okay, let's go. What is scientific calculator? First of all, I want to introduce you what is the scientific calculator. An electronic calculator that can handle trigonometric, exponential, and often other advanced functions, and can show its output in scientific notation and sometimes in hexadecimal, octal, or binary. But here's the question: what's the difference between a simple calculator and a scientific calculator? A simple calculator usually do many simple tasks, but a scientific calculator performs functions beyond addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But a scientific usually has special buttons for parentheses, trigonometric functions, exponents, inverses, and so on. And can we make a calculator in Python? And the question is, of course, yes. Python with tkinter outputs is the fastest and easiest way to create GUI applications. By using Python, as we know, Python is a high-level language, and by using GUI applications and different using of libraries, we can make different applications like a scientific calculator as well. To create a tkinter, the first important thing is we should import the modules of tkinter. Then we should create the main window. It means the container of the code, and also add any number and widget on the main window. And here is the output of my code that I will show you later that this calculator works as well. I will show you this. This is the code, and this is the output of my code. And this is I took a screenshot from all lines of code, but I will explain it for you in the code page. Let's go to the code page. As you can see, this I'm using from tkinter import. By using tkinter library, I make this project. Me and Parian make this project, and after that is the main window. And the most thing that it use in making for this scientific calculator is I use from diff functions and if statements, because the calculator is working with the buttons. By clicking the button, we can see the result. So for each button, we should make a diff function. You can see here, I will show you. For each button, I create a diff, and on the below of the code, I call dot functions to work as well. And here is the if statements. Here all the button callings, and the end of the code, you can see it is the footer of the code. That root.main loop is the end of the code. Now let's run this code and see the output. As you can see, this is a scientific calculator. Let's see it work or not. 3 multiplied by 3, it must be 9. Yes, it works. Also backspace work, clear works as well. Let's use power. It must be 49. You can see the result is 49. Let's work one more time. 8 divided by 2, it must be 4. As you can see, the results show perfectly and completely. This code without any error works as well, and also it is a complete scientific calculator. Thank you from you. Thanks from listening and watching, and thank you.